Correctly storing, handling, and cleaning your records is important for them to play back accurately. A record has very small grooves physically cut into it, and any dust or debris sitting in the groove will play back as though it's a part of the record. You'll hear this as crackles and pops as it plays, and if you let this happen too often, you'll find that your stylus collects dirt as it plays over time. This will impact the audio playback, but also has the potential to damage your cartridge and scratch other records. Records should be stored vertically. If you lay them horizontally, over time they can warp. When a warped record spins, it plays back at inconsistent speeds, slower as the stylus has to move higher, and faster as the stylus falls back down. You'll hear the pitch constantly rise and fall with each revolution of the record. When handling records, don't touch the groove, as putting pressure on it may change the physical shape. You should aim to only touch the edge and the label. There's a lot of conflicting information online about cleaning records. I know some people like to use a watered down alcohol solution, and if that's working for you, that's great. I've heard a few reports of alcohol damaging coloured vinyl, like this one here from Wolf & Chain. So I like to play it safe and use a product specifically designed for cleaning records. It's inexpensive, so why take the risk? There are machines available that can make the process easier, and if you've got the budget, some that will even clean your records for you. If you're listening to records often, this might be a good choice, but if it's occasional listening, then you might be happy just cleaning by hand. And I know of some people who clean them in the kitchen sink. However you choose to do it, don't let the label get wet, and don't scrub the record. A slow movement with the groove and a non-fibrous, non-scouring cloth. Anti-static brushes are also inexpensive, and they're useful to keep your records clean and discharge any static buildup, which can sound like high-frequency noise while playing back. Stylus cleaning pads are also an option, but should be used sparingly and extremely carefully so you don't damage the stylus. In summary, keep your records clean, store them vertically, and don't get the labels wet. Visit your local retailer and pick up a cleaning solution that suits your needs.